Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to create a text shape in Photoshop. Okay. Step 1. Apply. First of all, type text. Then press Ctrl T. Resize. See this text. Right click on your mouse. Convert to smart object. Again right click. Rasterize layer. Then see this shape. Text shape. And another way. Step 2. Create a new layer. Select the pen tool. Shape, select color. Okay, then hold shift straight, hold shift, hold shift. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.